Welcome, in front of me XIAOMI 11 Lite 5G NE, and I'll show you how to link or to unlink the Google Assistant from power button on this device. So just for the first, go to the settings application and now scroll down with your finger to the additional settings. Here just tap to the button shortcuts and scroll down. Now you can see here the section with the press and hold to the power button to turn on Google Assistant. Tap on the switcher to activate this function and now just tap to start using. And now if you will just press for a while on your button, you can see that your Google Assistant is activated. So that's it. If you wanna just turn it off, tap on the switcher again and now you'll just unlock your phone. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.